Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. So this is a great card. This is a great card from Monday for us, too. Doing your best means to take action. You have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 22, NASDAQ off 10, S&P's down 3. Summer trading in spades, low volume, sideways market, not much movement. Gold contract up $2, trading at $12.82 an ounce. We had silver up 4 cents, $17.56. Platinum flat at $9.54 an ounce. Copper down a penny and a half at $2.55 a pound. Light sweet crude down 27 cents, trading at $47.39 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 5 ticks, 126.23. 30-year bond off 16 ticks, 155.21. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, took out their B point on Friday with volume. You get confirmed ABC structures on the way up. That is saying higher price, lower yield in the 10 and in the 30. The 10's looking to run up to the 128 area. We're at 126.23. The 30's looking to get to 158, and we're at 155.23. The yield on the 10-year is at a 6-month low out here today at 2.175. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar just can't catch a bid, folks. Bottom line, King dollar is trading at a price point of 96,745. We got to 96,930 today. Couldn't handle the price. Closes 96,745. Bottom line, 95 is coming at us. It's going to be pretty wild watching this whole thing shake out. So 95, when we take a look at this, that is the night of the election. And we pull this back, and you're going to see we've just done 100% retracement of the whole move. Election night, we hit 95.905, and then we took off like a rocket ship. Bottom line, it says, I don't want to stay low. I'm going to go higher. By that morning, we were at 98. Within 5 weeks, we were up to the 103 level, 103.81. That was January, the week of January 6th. What do? We give the whole thing up. Bottom line, we not only give it up, folks, but what we did, we gave that up in spades. It also broke the uptrend that had been in place, and we broke that uptrend with conviction. So what that says, it says 2 different things. It says, number one, the first thing we're going to go after is this 95,905. And, right now we're at 96,745. That being said, the bottom of this consolidation that we've been in since January of 2015, that's game. And that is the 92 to 91 area. And we'll see how we get down there, number one, and if, in fact, that market holds. It's held the last 4 times that we've been down there. The first time we were down there is May of 2015. Second time was August of 2015. Next was May of 2016. And then we had June of 2016. Other than that, bottom line, the lowest low then was up at the 94 level. So I expect that baby is going to get hit. And we'll see if, in fact, it can hold. When we go take a look at the SPY out here today, what you get a sideways movement, you get low volume. That's expected on a Monday, particularly you get the summer kicking off. We're going to be trading like this to about the second week of August, folks. Okay, so you have Fridays and Mondays. You can expect lower volume dramatically, plus low volatility. If we go take a look at the volume on the NYSE, we did 699 million. On the NASDAQ Composite, what we did out here is 1.7 billion. If you break this down and we go into the Qs, what you're going to see, Qs did 15 million, and they're at a new high. And that's after coming down, by the way, with 55 million. The SPY also, I think this went to a new high today. If it didn't, it's right next to it. Let's see. So it missed the new high by 5 cents. Bottom line, you had 244.35 on Friday, 244.30 today, 35 million shares versus the 88 million. We'll see how this baby shakes out tomorrow. The gold contract, what do we have with gold? The contract itself, bottom line, wants to get up and into this high that was generated out here in April. The low of that high is 1286.30. We hit 1286.80 rather. We hit the 1286 mark today. I expect what we're going to see, we're going to get up into this 1300 number, and we'll see if in fact it's going to go over that. The silver is in a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. That took out its B point, took it out on Friday, had the wide price spread, had the volume, all of the above. Silver's no doubt a trip, and this is a $1.20 A to B equals C to D, so we'll bring it up somewhere up into the $18.20 area. The swing highs out here, $18.60 and $18.72. That's left over from February as well as April. And bottom line is that go right back to these bonds for a second, because when you see this 10-year, this 10-year is pretty amazing. So TYU, we're on the U contract. The U contract being the September contract, folks. So bonds out here, you back down today with 740,000 contracts versus taking the B point out on Friday. I believe it was 1.5 million. It was 1.5 million. Bottom line, higher prices are coming at us. Lower yields are coming at us. And that in itself is going to be good for the metals market. Some of the commodities out here today, we had unleaded gasoline down 2.3%. Lean hogs was off 1.8%. We had diesel down 1.5%. Crude was off 0.6%. Getting juice into it. Coffee was up 2.2%. Sugar was up 0.9%. Everything else was kind of flat. You had the cattle market going sideways after going a limit up a couple of days last week. So the cattle market is laying right at its highs. 127.50 pound is at its highs. We're at 126.20 right now. Some of the higher volume stocks out here in this low volume market, this is what you had out here today. You had Advanced Micro up 34 cents. Apple, bottom line, folks, Apple has this developer conference that couldn't catch a bid, and their new device, the HomePod speaker, $349. So they're going to get some bread for that. We'll see how many millions they get to sell. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials closed down 22, Nasdaq off 10, S&P's down 3. We're going to be right back.